Thokozane Camakho, ndawo amakhosi amakhulu, ndawo ezingane zedlozi, ngiyanibingelela ngithokoza ngithi amen. Ey'thingweni zonke zabantu bekhona abadala nabancane abakhona kuleyo channel kamkhulu wasemakhosini. Ngizobonga-ke nje la ingane zakuthi lana-ke ngizocela ukuthi la sikhulume ngo-part 2 kwama-candles and their meanings. I'm gonna do this here in English ukuze ngizochazisela nalaba abathandayo Nkosi yami ukuthi bakuzwe in English bazi. I think-ke uma uzobuka upart 1 wethu uzobona ukuthi some things ezibhalelana in English ziya corresponda. Think-ke mostly amakhandlela ngiwachaze ngama-episode ngawani ize ngingakazange ngiwaqede wonke, kodwa-ke this time ngiwahlanganise onke ndawonye. Ngizosho nje ukuthi asuke esho ukuthini, asuke erepresentani wona in a spiritual life and their physical form kuwena ukuthi ayaye enzeni, yini into osuke ungayi-expecta nongasuke ungayikhulekela uma ngabe uwalayitha. Please do subscribe here if you haven't subscribed on my YouTube channel. Please do, especially if you are the first time ubona umkhulu wasemakhosini. You seeing my face here on Facebook and on this it's on Facebook, Shwele Nkosi. On YouTube channel, please do. Lana-ke siqale la ingane zakuthi soqala ngekhandlela white candle and its meaning. White candle-ke ingane zakwethu isho into esuke ithi ayifane nale, isuke ikhomba your higher spirituality. It brings your spirituality power ibe higher and peace kuwena, your higher self, purity and substitution. Okusho ukuthi-ke nawe usungabheka ukuthi-ke lokho kusuke kusho ukuthini. Kusuke kusho ukuthi the peacemaker, the highest spirituality and the pure being. So suke embrace all the pure power osuke unayo. Bese then size la ku brown. Brown, it's an home protection. Ekuyikhandlela lezalukwazi isikhathi esiningi liletha ke home protection to animals, with animals or to animals. Ake ngithi nje you will see izilwane eziningi, stability, the family material and the goods, family material goods. Shuthi ibringa nje peace and protection ekhaya, ubuhle bodwa nobumbano emndenini. Bese siza la ku pink. Upink-ke it means romantic, love, emotional healing, friendship, caring, nurturing or nurturing, self-love. Kusho lokho ngixolela nami ngibhale la isandla sami samdida ngoba I was trying to ukuthi-ke ngiyiphendule lento, ngiyibukele ngiyibhale kahle ngesingisi, ngizama uku-interpreta ngendlela engakwazi ukuchaza. Bese sizalana yesizoyaza ku yellow. Yellow means intelligence, learning, reasoning, focus, memory, joy, comfort and hope, with confidence ke ngane zakwethu. That's why most of the time ikhandlela eliyelo kuyilona liya lisetshenziswa. So usungabona-ke ngendlela esuke sichaze ngayo isiZulu ukuthi kusuke kuchaza ukuthini, suke kumeleni lezo idala nalezo ithunywa suke kuchaze ngendlela ekachaze ngayo kulama parts adlule nama episode adlule. Then blue means communication, traveling. The traveling is spiritually and the communication is spiritually. So most of the time ithunywa zisuke zikwazi ukuthi zize kuwe zizokutshela. So it's communication, traveling, inspiration, calm, creativity and forgiveness. That's what it means of blue. Sizoza ke la ngane zakwethu ku silver. Usilver ke nami ke it's color lena engifundile nje ngezwa ngabanye of which I'm not sure ngayo, but ke ngizocela nje ukwazisa of which ichaza intuition, physicism, dreams, femininity, dawn. Basho kanjalo umuntu engichazile lami bese ngifunekela nje ulwazi just to add kunina. Bese sizakela ku black. Black means banishing against negativity, protection and abiding. Uyakhumbula ukuthi la leli isibane sasichaza njengokuthi sokuyisibane esikwazi ukuvika nokucupha isimo semoya emibi noma umuntu osuke kwenza kabi noma everything nje against esuke iyimi. That's the power ye black candle. It's banishing against negativity, protection and abiding. This is ala ku red. Red, but it's a vital energy, strength, passion, courage, and it's energy that moves fast with actions, last and charismatic. Ngizozala ku orange. Orange means for business, success, justice, opportunity, celebration, and ambition, of which is true. Everything I have read about this kusuke kuliqiniso enganza kwethu. Into nje nami I've confirmed ukuthi iyayenza leyo nto. Bese sizake la ukuthi size ku green. Green stands for nature, physically healing, money, abundance and fertility. Bese kuba growth kuwena. Nganza kwethu ke, thank you for watching this video up until the end. I think I've made it short and simple. Last nganza kwethu on my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe. I hope you will uzolithokozela lolu lwazi. You will be happy to know about this. If ufuna ukuthi ngikwazi ngachaze kahle ngisubscribe ngidescribe the meanings ezibhaliwe la zamakhandlela, I will do so on the next video episode. Thank you. Ndawo makhosi amako. Don't forget ukuthi ungifonele lapha kulaba thatha ufika kumkhulu wasemakhosini abaqhamuka kude inkalo ngeinkalo mazweni ngamazwe UK, ngabe uqhamuka United States, South Africa yonkana. Don't forget nje ungifonela lapha noma WhatsApp lapho ku 072 008 072 887 1995 bese kuba u067, that's for calls only, 067 906 2838. Ndawo makhosi. Amen.